McDonald's is good, but wouldn't it be a lot better if you could make it at home? Let's do it. Check out what just came in the mail. It's glorious. And it's from the 90s. Let's surprise little mama and make chicken nuggets. Ah! Check this out. It was on clearance for $15. Let me be clear. It was not $15 new. It's about $250 because it's vintage. And it's about 30 years old. But it's brand new in the box, never been used, and it's all ours. Chicken nugget maker. Hey, little mama. Guess what?
What?
Mommy got something for you.
What?
It is a McDonald's chicken nugget maker. You want to make some?
Yeah! We want chicken nuggets.
It's from the 90s.
What's that?
The 90s? It was a strange time.
Directions.
Oh, check this out. It even has a coupon for a loaf of bread that expires in 1995. You should try to use that at Target. Do you think they'll take it? And look, they didn't even put the stickers on it yet. We have to even do the stickers. And this is to put the chicken nuggets in. You want to put it together?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it together. Welcome to Cooking with Little Mama. Today we're making chicken nuggets. We love chicken nuggets.
Hey Isabel, here's the directions.
Ready?
I'm so excited.
It's gonna go in the chicken nugget press. Kaboom! Boom, 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 boom. Ready? They're so cute. Dip, dip, dippy dip. It's working! No way. Me happy with myself. Wanna try one?
Yes. Now that is a 90s right there. So good.
Want another?
This was definitely worth $250, I'm just saying.
You should tell Daddy it was $250.
He'll see his credit card bill at some point.
Until next time, bye-bye.